Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Degi means something that has been cooked in a huge pot called the deg. And a deg is usually used when you're giving a large feast and you have to cook tons and tons of food. Today, let's see how to make a rich Degi Chicken Korma, which is usually cooked in huge pots in the quaint lanes of Lucknow. For that, I'm going to heat half a cup of oil. The oil is hot. Let's add some whole spices. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon, 5 green cardamoms, around 5 cloves, and once they release an aroma, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds to this and let it splutter. To this, let's quickly add a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, we'll fry this ginger garlic for about a minute, and then we're going to add a kilo of chicken to this and saute it till it changes its color. The color is changed. The chicken has also got a lovely golden tinge because of the frying. Let's add a few spices. I'm going to add a tablespoon of red chilli powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Let's add salt to taste. And I'm going to sear this chicken on a high flame for a minute or two. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut to this. This will give a lovely grainy texture to the curry. And we'll add a cashew paste made with soaking 12 cashew nuts. Let's add this paste. You can see the oil has separated. Here I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt without whisking it because I want the curd to split and give the gravy a wonderful texture. I've kept the flame on a high as well. Can you see the yogurt has split here? Let's add 2 cups of water to this. Mix this well and cover it and cook till the chicken is done. We kept the chicken to cook for 20 minutes and the meat is off the bone. That means the chicken is done. Here I have 3 medium-sized onions that I have fried golden. I'm going to just crush this and add to this curry. To finish off this curry, I'm going to add a few spice powders. 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of mace powder, a pinch of clove powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Let's stir this well. Now, depending on the consistency of the curry that you desire, you can add water. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water to this. Mix it well. Cover this and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now, after cooking this for 3 minutes on a low flame, let's shut the flame and serve it. You can serve this Degi Chicken Korma with any bread of your choice. But my family loves it with rice, so I'm going to serve this with rice. Do try this recipe, let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.